Welcome to Data Engineering with Subhadip. Today we are diving into advanced SQL tuning. We will explore how query optimizers secretly rewrite your code and how you can use materialization strategies to achieve a 10x performance boost in your pipelines. Let us get started. Have you ever wondered what happens after you hit execute? Your SQL is just a logical request. The database engine parses this and uses a query optimizer to create a physical execution plan. Using statistics and predefined rules, it rewrites your query internally to find the most efficient path to your data. Let us look at a classic rewrite technique called Predicate Pushdown. When you write a subquery that aggregates millions of rows and then filter the results on the outside, the optimizer spots this. It rewrites the query to push that filter down to the base table before the heavy aggregation happens, saving massive amounts of memory and time. Sometimes optimizer rewrites are not enough, and we need to physically store intermediate data. This is called materialization. We generally use three strategies: temporary tables to break apart giant queries, result caching to serve repeated queries instantly from memory, and incremental materialization to process only newly arrived data. A common mistake in data engineering is overusing common table expressions, or CTEs, for complex logic. In many database engines, if you reference a CTE multiple times, the engine recalculates it every time. By rewriting this to materialize the result into a temporary table, you compute the heavy math only once, drastically reducing execution time. Now let us look at incremental materialization. Instead of truncating and loading a table from scratch every day, we use a merge or upsert statement. By dynamically fetching the maximum updated timestamp and using it to filter the source table, we only process records that arrived since the last run. This is a game changer for large datasets. Let us tie it all together with a real-world case study where we achieved a 10x performance improvement. Our legacy pipeline was doing a full table scan and aggregation over 5 years of historical data, taking 45 minutes every day. By combining predicate pushdown on partition keys, temporary tables for intermediate joins, and an incremental merge, we brought that down to just 3 minutes. Thank you for watching this episode of Data Engineering with Subhadip. If you found these advanced SQL techniques helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment below with your thoughts, and do not forget to subscribe for more deep dives into data engineering. Keep optimizing and building robust pipelines. See you in the next video.